How to add link to TikTok bio. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the link to your TikTok bio, it is very simple. Start off by launching your TikTok application in your device. So over here, make sure that your application is up to date and that you are logged in. Now at the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon. Tap on the given option. Right from here, you can check out the Edit Profile option. Here you will see the bio option, click on it. Now all you need to do is basically paste the copied link, then tap on the Save icon. Once you do so, you will see that your link has been pasted on the TikTok bio. Now if you wish to add your Instagram or your YouTube link, you can do so by tapping on Edit Profile. Here you need to click on the link option and you can add link of the website, Instagram or YouTube. Once you do so, you'll be able to add link of any of your social in your TikTok. So this is all for the video as well. We hope that this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.